Yeah.
Is that right?
I've never seen them here before. Someone must have planted them. All right, just take one leaf because there's not much of this.
And just take the leaf or don't take the leaf.
No.
This is when they start to come out, right?
Yeah. Just take one. This is a member of the onion and garlic family. Quite delicious. Never made it across the water after the ice age. So someone must have planted this. It's also called a wild leek. So you can stop here and take a leek. Put them in soups, you put them in salads, you saute them, casseroles. Has oil of wintergreen. Scientific name is methyl salicylate. Who knows what kind of a medicine is salicylated? This is low dose aspirin. Also cures the bad breath from the field garlic. It's smooth gray bark with horizontal lines. And then you break the twig, and if you smell the wintergreen, you know you have the right thing. So one of the things I do is I simmer this with some cashew milk, raisins, tapioca pearls, stevia, which is a herbal sweetener, freshly grated lemon rind, and a piece of vanilla bean, which is much better than vanilla extract but more expensive, and a dash of salt. You simmer that for 20 minutes, then you use tongs and remove the twigs, and you have an incredible tapioca pudding flavored with lemon rind, vanilla, and wintergreen, and I call it stick pudding. I've only scratched the surface. You could probably use this to flavor all kinds of desserts where there's a liquid in it that gets boiled. It's native. It's one of the more common trees. Some of them are too tall, but if you walk around enough in any forested area in the Northeast, you will find these. Cherry looks a little similar, but the smell is a bitter almond smell, the smell you would get from apricot pits or peach pits, and that one you don't want. But the bark of the cherry has lots of cracks in it. You only get cracks in the birch with the much older trees. When it gets older, not only does the bark get cracked, but you can sometimes see an opossum on it. Now, my daughter is in college. Why did I give her this to chew on when she was 1? Teething worked every time, and I've never seen any literature on this being used for teething, and it was very, very effective. So it needs to be tested in more kids. It's a low-dose aspirin, so it's safe for babies, and it works.